Think of this as HAARP. Now, they don't need these things. That's why they're closing the one in Alaska down, because they have the mobile SBX platform. And it can go across seas at high speeds and end up wherever they want. They go to the Philippines, they go to China, they go to Japan, they go to North Korea. This one right now is moving to North Korea to use radar to cover them. They're going to radar the hell out of them, because not only are these things receivers, they are also senders, and they send out pulses, and the size of that ball and the amount of wattage and power that they put out of there, they can start and do earthquakes. The earthquake warning system, one NASA scientist, you'll never guess what happens to him, they can forecast earthquakes, because they can forecast earthquakes that they're starting with the thing. This guy says that, you know, there is a direct correlation between earthquakes and the signals. There's HAARP clouds that come up too, but they have signals that they say it's to do with the HAARP. And he was the first one to say the ionosphere is distinguished, and that's why on significant occasions satellites have picked up disturbances in the atmosphere done by HAARP, and then an earthquake happens later on. Shit doesn't happen in the atmosphere and then all of a sudden, for no reason, you have an earthquake. So this guy, you know, was the only one on the team to divulge that. And by satellite, what? Then they look down, they see the HAARP ball, and they know where the earthquake's going to be. So that one guy, he was the one that made, yeah, there he is, Friedman Freund. And he was the first one to talk about that. You could pause that and read it. And there he is. And oh no, he died. Brain cancer. The only one of the team. He's dead though. So we really can't ask him about the ionospheric heaters and what he thinks about it. So, you know, take it as a grain of salt, but it is kind of ironic. It's always ironic and always coincidental. And coincidences are so coincidental that they just happen all the time. And it's great that things work out that way. Mathematically, you'd have like a 0% chance. But this ball is going around, and it's really enjoying itself. I mean, you send this thing to North Korea to radar and whatever. Well, they really did it, because North Korea actually asked